Hello Kitty iPhone covers. Hello Kitty this, Hello Kitty that. Rainbows, sparkles, and sprinkles. I'm in my safe space now. Okay. Why is the microwave beeping? I didn't put anything in the microwave. Mom, did you fucking put something in the microwave? Don't you fucking lie to me. You put the hamster in the microwave. I told you not to put the hamster in the microwave. You're the reason I'm on drugs. It's you. So don't fucking tell me when I'm spazzing out that I need to chill. You put my fucking hamster in the microwave. That was the only thing I had left. My grandpa gave me the hamster. My grandpa's dead. I don't have anything except that fucking hamster to remember him. And you fucking blew him up in the microwave for a fucking YouTube video, you fucking whore. I hope you guys enjoyed the album. I'm so sorry about all this. I'm not normally like this. I'm normally quite pleasant. I'm very sorry about all this.